Welcome to Rozgar News with Mahinder Singh. You are watching employment news of this week. On this channel, you will get employment news, current affairs and job notification. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel. Without any delay, let's start employment news. Employment News Weekly. New Delhi, 12 to 18 June 2021. Fruits and Vegetables for Health and Long Life by Pranav Kumar Ghosh, A.S. Rajput and Ramesh Chandra Parida. Career as Waste Management Professionals by Nidhi Prasad. Fruits and Vegetables for Health and Long Life continue from page number 1. National Fertilizers Limited, a Government of India undertaking, recruitment of experienced professionals in materials and finance discipline. Post name and pay scales: Senior Manager, Finance and Assistant, Account Officer, Assistant Managers, Materials Officer. Minimum eligibility criteria on cutoff date of 30 April 2021 for Senior Manager, Finance and Account, that is maximum age is 45 years, minimum qualifications CA from the Institute of Chartered Account of India. Post qualification in line executive, work experience minimum 13 years, post experience in line executive. Second, Account Officer, minimum age 30 years, Chartered Account CA with Institute of CA of India, minimum 1 year post qualification experience. For Assistant Manager Materials, age is 40 years, qualification is degree in engineering in any discipline or full-time MBA Material Management or Supply Management, minimum 2 years experience. Material Officer, age 30 years, education qualification, degree in engineering in any specialization or full-time regular MBA in Material or Supply Chain Management or PG Material Management 2 years regular course, and minimum 1 year experience as a responsible position in Material Management. Application date of last date receipt application is 25th June 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.nationalfertilizers.com.careers recruitment portal. Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, Office of Dean Administration, advertisement number REO DOAD oblique 2021/02. Application are invited for the various posts. Posts are REO grade 1, number of posts 7, pay level 11, number of posts principal for REO number 1, pay level 13. Maximum age limit for REO grade 1, that is 45 years, born on or after 1st July 1976. For principal REO, that is 50 years and born on or after 1st July 1971. For educational qualifications, serial number 1, Principal Research Establishment Officer, Department Sample Center for Display Technologies SCDT, Cadre B, minimum MTech, MS in Electrical Engineering, Electronics Engineering, plus 13 years relevant experience or PhD in Electrical Engineering. For serial number 2, post name that is Research Establishment Officer Grade 1, Department Advanced Center for Material Science, Cadre B, minimum qualification, friends, MTech plus 3 years of relevant experience or PhD. For serial number 3 post is Research Establishment Officer Grade 1, Department Sustainable Energy Engineering SEE, that is a minimum qualification is MTech, MSc in Chemistry Physics, Chemistry Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Material Science and Engineering with 3 years relevant experience. For the post of serial number 4, that is Post Research Establishment Officer Grade 1, Department SIIC, that is the cadre A, minimum qualification BTech or BS, plus 5 years or relevant experience, or MTech or MSc 3 years relevant experience or PhD. For serial number 5, post is Research Establishment Officer Grade 1, Department Center of Laser and Photonics CELP, cadre A, minimum qualification, friends, BTech or allied areas or optics with 5 years or relevant experience, or MTech, that is a Oppo Electronics or Photonics or applied optics or applied allied areas of optics with 3 years relevant experience. For serial number 6, that is the post name is Research Establishment Officer Grade 1, Department Physics, cadre A, minimum BTech or BS with 5 years or relevant experience, or MTech or MSc with 3 years of relevant experience or PhD Physics. For serial number 7, post name is Research Establishment Officer Grade 1, Department Material Science or Engineering, cadre A, minimum qualification, friends, BTech in Material Science or Engineering या Metallurgical Engineering with 5 years relevant experience, or MTech MSc 3 years relevant experience or PhD in Material Science and Engineering and Metallurgical Engineering. For serial number 8, post name that is Research Establishment Officer Grade 1, Department Material Science and Engineering, that is the cadre A, number of post 1, minimum qualification required BTech in Material Science and Engineering or Metallurgical Engineering with 5 years relevant experience, or MTech or MSc in Material Science and Engineering and Metallurgical Engineering with 3 years relevant experience, or PhD in Material Science. For more details, you can visit its official website www.litk.ac.in. यूको बैंक भारत सरकार का उपक्रम, अ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया अंडरटेकिंग. Recruitment notifications. Opening date for application, that is 12 June 2021. Last date of receipt of application, friends, 30 June 2021. Applications are invited for the post of internal ombudsman. That is, a total vacancy is 1. Last date of receipt this application is 30 June 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.uco.gov.in. Vacancy is for name of the post internal ombudsman banking Lokpal. Name of post internal ombudsman. Age of is maximum 70 years. Experience the candidate shall be retired or serving officer not below the rank of deputy general manager or equivalent of the another bank. That is financial sector regulatory body not have worked or the worked in UCO Bank. He should be having necessary skill and experience of minimum 7 years of working area such as banking regulations, supervision, payments and settlement and the consumer protection. The selection procedure is eligible candidate will be called for personal interaction and decision of the bank will be the final. National Institute of Technology, Silchar, that is the Assam. Advertisement for recruitment of various non-teaching positions. Name of the post are registrar, deputy registrar, registrar pay level 14, number of post 1, deputy registrar pay level 12, number of post 1, assistant registrar pay level 10, total post 1, librarian pay level 14, total post 1, medical officer pay level 10, total post 1. Hindi officer pay level 10, number of post 1. Superintendent pay level 6, number of post 7. Hindi officer pay level 10, number of post 1. Junior Hindi translator pay level 6, number of post 1. Technical assistant or junior engineering pay level 6, number of post 37. Senior assistant pay level 4, number of post 4. That is a total post is 55. For registrar, assistant qualification is master degree with at least 50% of its equivalent grade B in UGC point scale. For age limit is 56 years. For deputy registrar, education qualification is master degree in any discipline with at least 55% marks. For assistant registrar, essential qualification is master degree and MA in any discipline at least 55% marks or equivalent grade to CG, PA or UGC point scale with good academics record. For librarian, method of recruitment is direct. Essential qualifications for librarian: master degree in librarian science and information science documentation with CGPA of 6.5 in 10 points scale. Age limit is 56 years. For medical officer, essential qualification is MBBS degree or equivalent qualifications. Method of recruitment is direct. For Hindi officer, post number 6, for method of recruitment is direct. Essential qualification is required: master degree of recognized university in Hindi or English as a compulsory or elective subject or a medium of examination at the degree level. For superintendent, method of recruitment is direct. Essential qualification is required: first class bachelor degree or its equivalent from a recognized university or MA with any discipline. For junior Hindi translation, method of recruitment is direct. Essential qualification criteria is master degree in recognized university in Hindi with English as a compulsory or elective subject. or MA with degree or master degree is recognized university or master degree of university with any subject other than Hindi. Next vacancy is from Central Bureau of Investigation vacancy circulation. Applications are invited for eligible billing officer under the central government of state government or union territories of financial institution, RBI, NABARD, SIDBI and public sector financial institution. दोस्तों SIDBI is stand for Small Industrial Development Bank of India, RBI Reserve Bank of India, that is advisor for foreign trade of foreign exchange in CBI in pay band 3 on deputation basis. For more details, please visit CBI official website www.cbi.gov.in. Last date of receipt this application is within 60 days of publication of this vacancy. Next, मंत्रिमंडल सचिवालय यानी कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरीट, राष्ट्रपति भवन, न्यू दिल्ली, that is notice for filling of one post for the photostat cum equipment operator, Group C, non-gazetted, non-ministerial pay level 4. For more details, please visit its official website cabsac.gov.in. The last date of receipt is application is extended by 31st July 2021. That is the reference is invited vacancy notification even number dated 25th March 2021. Published in the Employment News edition 10 to 16 April 2021. Now date has been extended up to 31st July 2021. Continue from page number 1. For technical assistant, method of recruitment is direct. Essential qualification for technical assistant, first class equivalent in BE, BTech or MCA. For junior engineering, method of recruitment direct. Essential qualification SAS assistant, first degree in bachelor degree in physical education from recognized universities. The last date of online submission for the date is 2nd July 2021. For senior assistant, method of recruitment direct. Essential qualification and criteria is senior secondary school 10+2 from a recognized board. For more details, please visit its official website www.nits.ac.in/non-teaching recruitment. Next, NMDC Limited, a Government of India enterprises. Employment notification number 08/2021. Applications are invited for the various posts. Post name: Colliery Official Mechanical Contract, Licensing Officer Contract, Colliery of Engineering Electrical Contract, Mining Engineering Contract, Surveyor Contract, Electrical Overman Contract, Mine Overman Contract, Mechanical Overman Contract, Mine Seether Contract. For more details, please visit its official website www.nmdc.co.in. Number of posts for each, that is the Colliery Engineering Mechanical Contract 1, that is the Licensing Officer Contract 2, Colliery Engineering Electrical Contract 1, Mining Engineering Contract 12, Surveyor Contract 2, Electrical Overman Contract 4, Mine Overman Contract 25 and Mechanical Overman Contract 4 and Mine Seether Contract 38. Next, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri National Sanskrit University, Central University. Advertisement number 01/2021. Applications are invited for the various posts. Posts are Professional Academic, pay level 14, that is a T1, educational qualification for 1 ST and a Porohitya 01 unreserved. Mode of recruitment is direct. Code number for T2, that is name of teaching post, is Associate Professor, academic pay level 13A. Required education qualification is 2. Vyakaran 3. Number of posts 1. SC Jyotish 1. Advait Vandata 1. Visanta Advait 1. Yog 1. Dharmashastra 1. Sahitya 1. And Purahityas, that is a Purahityas 1 unreserved. Mode of recruitment is direct. For the post code T3, Assistant Professor, academic pay level 10. Education for 8 posts, OBC, SC, ST, SC 3, ST 1, 3 OBC, 1 unreserved. Purohitya 1 SC, Dharmashastra 1 SC, 1 EWS. Advait Vedanta 01 SC and 1 unreserved. Line vacancy likely to be permanent. Yoga 1 ST, Prakrit, that is Prakrit 1 SC, 1 ST. Sankhya Yoga 01 unreserved, 01 OBC. Veda 01 unreserved, Vastu Shastra 1 unreserved, Vyakaran 01 SC and Hindi 01 unreserved. For more details, please visit its official website www.slbsrsv.ac.in. Last date of submission application is 12 July 2021. India Trade Promotion Organization, a Government of India Enterprises, New Delhi. India Trade Promotion Organization, that is ITPO, are invited for application. 1 post for Chief Engineering Project on deputation basis, 1 post for Deputy General Manager Civil on deputation basis, 1 post for Deputy General Manager Electrical, 1 post for Finance Advisor and Chief Account Officer, that is FANCAO, or immediate absorption or initially for a period of 3 years on deputation basis, and 1 post for General Managers works on immediate absorption basis are invited. For more details, please visit its official website www.indiatradefair.com. Next, National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited. Vacancy notice numbers 27/2021. Various applications are invited for filling of the post. Post name is Chief Project Manager. Number of post 2. Maximum age is 55 years. Qualification is kept BE, BTech, Civil or equivalent. Minimum experience required 20 years. For more details, please visit its official website www.ncrtc.in. Next, Sanskriti Samradhan Mandals, Krishna Vigyan Kendra, that is a Biloi district, Nanded. Application are invited for the post of Subject Matter Specialist Agriculture Engineering. Number of post 1, that is qualification is required Master Degree in Agriculture Engineering or equivalent qualification from recognized university. Next, Stenographer Grade 3, number of post 1, education qualification required friends 12th pass or equivalent or from a recognized board, or professional efficiency, that is a typing speed English will be required 50 minutes per minute on computer. The last date of application is received 20 days from the date of this application of the advertisement, and for more details please visit his official website ssmandal.net in. Next vacancy from Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Advertisement number 01/2021. Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education yani TIFR Mumbai has invited for the application for the post of, that is the Project Scientific Officer B. Number of post 1 unreserved, that upper age limit is 28 years. Project Scientific Assistant B, that is the 4 post unreserved for 3 OBC 1, that is 28 years for unreserved and 30 years for OBC is kept. That, next designation position, the Project Tradesman B 1 unreserved, that is the appraise limit 28 years. Project Work Assistant 3 unreserved to OBC 1 and for 28 years unreserved and 31 years for OBC. For more details, please visit his official website www.hbcse.tifr.res.in.advertisement. Last date of receipt this application on online mode, that is by 26 June 2021. Next, vacancy from National Crime Record Bureau, that is New Delhi, are invited for the post of Sub-Inspector G, Group C, non-ministerial in the pay level 4. Last date of receipt this application is 45 days from the date of application. For more details, please visit his official website www.ncrb.gov.in. Next vacancy from application are invited from the post under the Deen Dayal Research Institute, that is in Madhya Pradesh. For the post of Farm Manager 1 post, that is the pay scale is 4200 pre-revised grade pay. Essential qualification is capped for bachelor degree in agriculture, equivalent qualification from a recognized university and maximum age 30 years. Last date of receipt application is 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. The applicants can visit for more details his official website www.kvkdrishtanta.org, means www.kvkdristanta.org. Next vacancy from National Institute of Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. Recruitment notice. Application are invited for the post of Director Entrepreneurship Development, that is number of post 1, mode of recruitment falling under which direct recruitment. Second, direct, that are outreach research and advocacy, that is a number of post 1. Joint Director Outreach or Advocacy, that is number of post 1. Administrative Officer, that is number of post 1 on deputation or direct basis. Private Secretary, that is a number of post 1 and deputation or absorption. Senior Assistant, number of post 2, deputation, absorption or direct recruitment. Junior Assistant, number of post 2, deputation, absorption or direct recruitment. Junior Stenographer, that is a number of post 1, deputation or absorption or direct recruitment or contract basis. Cashier, number of post 1, direct recruitment. For more details, please visit his official website www.niesbudnic.in. Next vacancy from the Office of the Principal Chief Commissioner, Central Goods and Service Tax, Vadodara Zone. Notification, application are invited for the post of Tax Assistant. Total vacancy 11 under the Sports quota. And education qualification is capped graduation. Last date of on or before 30 June 2000 and 30 June 2021 by 5 p.m. For more details, please visit its official website www.ccovadodara.gov.in on CBIC website. Next vacancy from Institute of Serology, Kolkata. Application are invited for the interview for the following post under the Regional STI Training Research Institute. Name of the post is Laboratory Technician, STI. That is number of post 1. Essential qualification is capped graduate in medical laboratory technology yani BSc minimum 1 year experience. Salary is 13,000. Age limit is 60 years. For further more details, please visit its official mobile number and its last date is receipt of application is 30 days from the application of advertisement in the newspaper. Next vacancy from friends, Forensic Science Laboratory, Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi. Advertisement for the post of various post senior scientific assistant in various disciplines on deputation, including short-term contract of Forensic Science Laboratory, Delhi. For more details, please visit his official website fsl.delhi.gov.in. Next vacancy from Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board, that is New Delhi. Vacancy notice advertisement number 03/2021. Application are invited for the various posts, that is the trained graduate teacher Bengali female, that is the number of posts is 1 total, that is for unreserved one. Trained graduate teachers English male, that is the number of posts is 1029 and 1029. Trained graduate teachers English female, that is the number of posts is 961. Trained graduate teacher Urdu male, that is number of posts 346. Trained graduate teachers Urdu female is Directorate of Education, number of posts 571. Trained graduate teachers Sanskrit male, that is the 866 total number of posts. Trained graduate teachers Sanskrit female, that is the 1159 total posts. Trained graduate teachers Punjabi male, that is the 382. Trained graduate teachers Punjabi female, that is the number of posts 492. The opening date of application is 4 June 2021 and closing date of application is 3 July 2021. For official website is DSSB board online.nic.in पर आप visit. For more details, you can visit its official website https://dssbonline.nic.in. For more details, you can visit dssb.delhi.gov.in/current vacancies/Delhi Subordinate Services Selection Board. For more details and for qualification of each post is required is as relevant experience and degrees. Please visit its official website. Also, PDF link is given in the description box. Please download the PDF, go through the PDF. Dear friends, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel so that every Friday I bring up employment news Hindi and English. Dear subscribers, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel so that every Friday you can get notification of employment news and current affairs and job notifications. age relaxation as per the Government of India rules and regulation. Next vacancy, Ministry of Mines appointment on Deputy Director General, Personnel and Administration in Geological Survey, India at Kolkata. Applications are invited for the post of Deputy Director General, Personnel and Administration in Geological Survey of India at Central Headquarters, Kolkata. The mode of recruitment, the post of is deputation basis, pay band 4 or that is last date of receipt is this application is 60 days from the date of publication and the advertisement in the employment news. So friends, for more details you can visit its official website www.mines.nic.in or www.gsi.gov.in. Next vacancy, National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited. Vacancy notice that is a 26/2021. Applications are invited for the post of forest officer and number of posts 1 unreserved. Maximum age is 30 years. The educational qualification is kept postgraduate in forestry environment management. Minimum qualification experience is required 5 years. For more details, please visit its official website www.ncrtc.in. Next vacancy is from Unique Identification Authority of India, means UIDAI, New Delhi. Vacancy circulation for the filling up the post for various posts on deputation on foreign service term basis in UIDAI Region Office, Bengaluru. Application are for the post of Deputy Director, Section Officer, Assistant Section Officer, Senior Account Officer, Assistant Account Officer and Accountants, Private Secretary and Steno deputation basis and Bengaluru region. The last date of receipt of this application by 16 July 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.uidi.gov.in. Next vacancy from East Delhi Municipal Corporation, Central Establishment Department. Advertisement number dated 1st June 2021. In the continuation of office circulation number so and so is on 15 March 2021. Last date of receipt of the submission application is hereby extended up to 15 June 2021 in respect of the following post. That was the one post for Civil Chief Engineering Officer in pay level 14, 2 posts for Deputy Commissioner in pay level 13. For more details, please visit its official website www.mcdonline.nic.in. Next vacancy from Unique Identification Authority of India, UID, again for the post of regional, that is regional office Mumbai. That was for the Bangalore office, that is the Bangalore regional office. It is for regional office Mumbai. The post or Assistant Director General HR, Unique Identification Authority of India, regional office 7th floor, MTNL Telephone Exchange, that is the Mumbai. Post details are Section Officer, Assistant Section Officer, Private Secretary and Accountant on deputation basis, foreign service terms in UID at regional office Mumbai. Last date of receipt this application is by 16 July 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.uidi.gov.in. Next vacancy is from the Indian Navy, यानी भारतीय नौसेना. Invite application from the unmarried men for short service commission officers for extended naval orientation course Jan 2021 and ST 22 course. Date of opening 12 June 2021. Last date for online application by 26 June 2021. Name of the cadre, that is the Executive Branch SSC, Staff Selection Commission, that is SSC Service, General Duty GS or Ex Executive educational qualification is required BE या BTech in any discipline with minimum 60% marks. Vacancies are 47. Gender are male and born between 2nd Jan 1997 to 1st July 2021. For hydrocadre, essential qualification is required BE/BTech in any discipline with minimum 60% marks. Number of vacancies is 03. And gender for required is male and born between the 2nd July 1997 and 1 July 2002. Online application for submission 11 June 2021 to 26 June 2021. Online mode of application is online. The tag of the Indian Navy, मेरा हर काम देश के नाम. For more details I will bring separate video for this Indian Navy recruitment to know in details. Next vacancy, Serious Fraud Investigation Office, that is New Delhi. Category of number post, private secretary. Tentative number of vacancy, that is 6, and tentative place of posting, that is Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai or Kolkata. Pay level matrix 7, that is 44,900 to 1,42,400. Last date of receipt, this application is 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. For more details, please visit his official website www.nca.gov.in. Next, MSME Tool Room, Hyderabad, Central Institute of Tool Design. Admission notice for diploma courses. Courses details are hereby. Diploma in Tool, Die and Mold Making, DTDM. Eligibility criteria is 10th pass or 50% of general and 45% for SC, ST. Duration of study 4 years. Diploma in Electronics and Communication Engineering, DECE. 10th pass, or for Diploma in Automation and Robotics Engineering, DARE, that is a 12th pass, or Diploma in Production Engineering, DPE, 10th pass. For post serial number 2, 3 and 4, age limit is 19 years and duration of study for Diploma Engineering 3 years and Diploma in Automation and Robotics, that is 3 years, and Diploma Production Engineering 3 years. Last date of issue, this application is by 10th and 5th PM in any working days. And for more details, please visit its official website www.citindia.org. Important dates. Availability of application 25th February 2021. Last date of receipt filled in application 28 June 2021. That is at 10 am to 5 pm between. And date of entrance exam tentative, that is 11 July 2021. Center for entrance exam will be Hyderabad. Next vacancy from National Crime Record Bureau, New Delhi. The Bureau invite application for the filling of one post for the Deputy Director Group A Gazetted, non-ministerial in the level of 13A in the Computer System and Division NCRB. That is the. For more details, please visit its official website www.ncrb.gov.in. Next vacancy from National Institute of Health and Family Welfare, that is New Delhi. Admission notice for the postgraduate diploma in Public Health Management PGD-PHM residential course approved by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Duration of course is 1 year. For more details, please visit its official website www.nhifw.org. Ministry of Jal Shakti Department, Water Resource Development of Ganga Rejuvenation. Application are invited for the one post of Executive Member in Narmada Control Authority. Last date of receipt this application further hereby extended is 26 July 2021. Next vacancy from Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmer Welfare. Vacancy circulation, name of the post and scale account official. Number of post 1, पूर्वी दिल्ली नगर निगम केंद्रीय संस्थापना विभाग, विज्ञापन लेके सर्कुलर संख्या AOCED EDMC के दिनांक 15 मार्च 2021 और समाचार पत्र 3 अप्रैल 2021 में प्रकाशित विज्ञापन के क्रम में केवल निम्नलिखित पदों के संबंध में प्रतिनियुक्ति हेतु आवेदन जमा करने की अंतिम तिथि को 15 जून 2021 तक बढ़ा दी गई है। अधिक जानकारी के लिए आप विजिट कर सकते हैं www.mcdonline.nic.in। Next vacancy from Government of India, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Irrigation. Application are invited for the post of filling one post executive member in Narmada Control Authority. Last date of receipt is hereby extended further 26 July 2020. Next vacancy is from Department of Agriculture, Cooperation, Farmers Welfare, Krishi Bhavan, New Delhi. Vacancy circulation, application are invited for the one post of account officer. That is a pay level 7, number of post 1, method of recruitment is on deputation basis. For more details, please visit its official website www.agricoop.nic.in. Last date of receipt of this application is 60 days from the publication of the circulation in the Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. Next vacancy from Government of India, Ministry of Defence, ASC Center South 280C Employment. Application are invited for the following post for citizen of India and have to be sent requisite document duly attested should be the presiding officer, Civilian Direct Recruitment Board, CHQ ASC Center South ATC Agram Post, Bangalore. Name of the post, civil motor driver. Pay matrix level 2, number of post 42. Cleaner, that is a number of post 1. Cleaner, pay matrix level 1, number of post 40. Cook, number of pay matrix level 2, number of post 15. Civilian catering instructor, pay matrix level 2 and number of post 3. Total vacancies are 100. The details of vacancies are like this. Civilian motor driver, number of vacancy 20, 22, 42. For breakup detail of vacancies, please go through the PDF which is given in the description box. The closing date of application will be 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment newspaper. There will be a written test. Paper 1, Paper 2, Paper 3 and Paper 4. For Paper 1 consists of general intelligence and reasoning, objective multi-type choice questions. Number of questions 25, marks is 25. For Paper 2 general awareness, objective multi-type choice questions, that is number of questions 50, marks 50. That is Paper 3 consists some general English, objective multiple choice type, number of questions 50, marks 50. And Paper 4 that numerical aptitude, objective multiple choice questions, number of questions 25, marks 25. Total duration of examination will be 2 hours. For full details, I will bring separate video for this. Next vacancy, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, that is Unique Identification Authority of India, UDAI, New Delhi. Vacancy circulation for filling of the various posts on deputation basis, foreign service term, basic in UAD region office, Guwahati. That is a deputy director, assistant section officer, private secretary, and steno and deputation basis, foreign service terms in UIDAI registration office. For more details, please visit his official website www.uidai.gov.in. Last date of receipt application is 16 July 2021. Next, Sainik School, Tilaiya, Jharkhand. Application are invited for the post of counselor on contractual basis. That is the post contractual basis for 1 year, category unreserved. Education qualification is MA, MC, Psychology from the recognized university plus regular 1 year graduate diploma in guidance and counseling, or MA, MSc, MCom, or BA, BEd, or BMed. Qualification plus regular 1 year postgraduate diploma in guidance and counseling, or BA, BSc Psychology with certificate in diploma in counseling. Age should be not below 21 years and above 35 years as on 1st June 2021. Desirable qualification: minimum 1 year experience as providing psychological and educational counseling to the student at school. Last date of receipt, this is 11 July 2021. The mode of application is by offline mode. For more details, please visit his official website www.sainikschooltilaiya.org. Next vacancy from Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Noida Special Economic Zone, UP. Vacancy advertisement. Application are invited for the post of Preventive Officer, Customs. Number of post 1, Noida, SEZ. Last date of application is and 45 days from the date of application in the employment news. And for more details, please visit his official website www.nsez.gov.in. Next vacancy, Ministry of Electronics Information Technology Center Directorate. Vacancy circulation. Application are invited for the post of Deputy Director, that is number of post vacancy 4, Administrative Officer number of post 1, Assistant Section Officer number of post 5, Personal Assistant number of post 10, Senior Secretariat Assistant number of post 11. Last date of receipt this application must reach within the 45 days of publication of the advertisement. For more details, please visit his official website www.stqc.gov.in. Next vacancy, Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. Authorized website, that is www.ibps.in. Common recruitment process for recruitment of officers scale 1, 2 and 3. And the office assistant multi-purpose in regional rural bank, that is the RRBs, CRP, RRBs, that is 10. The online examinations for the recruitment of next common recruitment process for the RRBs, CRP, RRBs 10 for recruitment group A officers scale 1, 2, 3B and group B office assistant multipurpose will be conducted by the Institute and IBPS tentatively in August and September or October 2021. The interview for the recruitment of group A officers scale 1, 2 and 3 under the same process will be coordinated by the Nodal Regional Rural Bank, that is the RRBs, with the help of NABARD and IBPS in consultation with the appropriate authority of tentative month of November. So activities like this, online registration including edit, modification of application and payment of application fees, intimations charges will be 8 June 2021 to 28 June 2021. Conduct of pre-exam training PET, that is 19 July 2021 to 25 July 2021. Online examination preliminary test will be conducted on August 2021. Result of online examination and a preliminary September 2021. Online examination man or single, that is the September or October tentatively. In case it is possible and safe to hold PET and pre-exam training. You can visit his official website www.ibps.in for more details. Next, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, New Delhi. Vacancy circulation, application are invited for the post of Senior Administrative Officer in pay level 11. Name of the post, that is Senior Administrative Officer, classification General Central Service Group A, Gazetted Ministerial, pay scale level 11. Number of vacancy 1, method of recruitment is composite and deputation basis plus promotion. Eligibility criteria, that is the officer of the central government of state, government of union territories holding analog post for regular basis in the parent cadre of department with 5 years service in level 10 and pay matrix or equivalent. Essential qualifications, degree and recognized university institute and 5-year experience in accounts, administration, established work and government office and public sector undertaking body. Last date of receipt this application is 2 months from the date of publication in the advertisement of employment news in the following address. It is offline mode. You have to send the application on this address. Next vacancy, Health Department, Government of Multi-Speciality Hospital, Chandigarh. Application are invited 37 number of post of house surgeons. Medicine Department 7, Medicine ICU 4, Surgically Department 6, Ortho Department 2, Gynec Department 6, Pediatric Department 6, Eye Department 2, ANT Department 2, Skin Department 2. Last date of receipt this application will be before 30 June 2021. It is a offline mode application, so you have to fill the proforma and send it on the given address. For more details, please visit its official website www.nrhmdchd.gov.in. Last date of receipt of application by 19 June 2021 by 5 p.m. Next vacancy is National Board of Examination in Medical Science, NMS Building, Ansari Nagar, New Delhi. Application are invited for the post of Senior Assistant, pay level 7, number of post 8, maximum age 27, essential qualifications, degree and recognized university board. Next, Junior Assistant, pay level 2, number of vacancies 30, maximum age 27 years, or essential qualification required, pass senior secondary examination from the recognized board or university and proficiency in computer. Next, Junior Accountant, pay level 4, number of vacancy 4 and maximum age is 27 years, essential qualification is required bachelor degree with math or statistics or a degree of commerce from a recognized university. Desirable qualification 3 years experience in dealing with accounts in some government institution and knowledge of computer. Last date of receipt of this application is 14 August 2021. Next department, Department of Science Technology, Technology Bhavan, New Delhi. Application are invited filling the post of one post for Director Administration and Finance. Name of the post Director Administration and Finance. Number of post 1. Scale pay level 13. Period of deputation for the period of deputation including the period of deputation in another ex-cadre post or held immediately preceding the appointment. Eligible criteria: officers of the Indian Administrative Service or Central Service Group A. Age limit not exceeding 56 years. Last date of receipt this application is 45 days from the date of publication in the advertisement of the employment news or Rozgar Samachar. Next, Krishi Vigyan Kendra Pal, Jalgaon, Maharashtra. Applications are invited for the post of subject matter specialist, pay level 10, number of post 3, age limit 35 years. Program assistant lab technician, pay level 6, number of post 1, age limit 30 years. Stenographer grade 3, pay level 4, number of post 1, age limit is 18 to 27 years. Driver, pay level 3, number of post 2, age limit 18 to 27 years. Supporting staff, pay level 1, number of post 1, age limit 18 to 25 years. The last date of receive this application, please visit official website, that is www.kvkpal.in, and within the 1 month of this advertisement in the employment news. Next, Government of India Directorate General, Central Industry Security Force, New Delhi. Filling of one vacancy for Accounts Officer in Directorate General, Central Industrial Security Force of deputation basis. Last date of receipt application 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. For more details, please visit official website www.cisf.gov.in. Next, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai. Advertisement number 2021/6. Name of the post Medicine Officer, yani Medical Officer C, one post. The maximum is 35 years. Pay level 10. Second number of post is Administrative Officer C, legal. Number of post 1, unreserved. Age limit is 40. Pay level 10. Number 3, Scientific Assistant B, number of post 1, unreserved, age limit is 28 years, pay level 3. 5th, Clerk A, 1 post, age limit is 28 years and pay level 3. Next, Tradesman B, Turner, 1 post, age limit is 28 years and pay level 3. Next, Security Guard 1 post, that is OBC 1 and age limit is 31 years, pay level 1. Security Guard 1 post, that is EWS, economical weaker section, and age limit is 28 years, pay level 1. Last date of filling online application will be 22 days from the date of publication in the advertisement. For more details, please visit its official website www.tifr.res.in/positions. Next vacancy, appointment of General Manager in Investor Education and Protection Fraud Authority. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs are invited application for General Manager on deputation basis. Last date of receipt is application by 5th July 2021. For more details, please visit his official website www.mca.gov.in. Application mode is offline. नेक्स्ट वैकेंसी राष्ट्रीय इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एंड सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थान हरिद्वार. ऑनलाइन समर इंटर्नशिप ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम सेशन July to August 2021. Application are invited eligible candidate for following the online summer internship training programs. Programs details are as follows: Cloud Computing Seat 30. Big Data Analytics Seat 30, Machine Learning using Python Seat 30, Web Application Development using Apache Seat 30, Internet Things and using Seat 30, Deep Learning using Python, that is a Seat 30, MATLAB Programming 30, Android Application Development Seat 30, Digital Marketing VLSI design using Verilog, web designing, Java programming, AutoCAD and programming in Python. Each seat have 30. Educational qualifications for BE, BTech, MC, MTech, MC, MSc and CSIT or allied branches. MSc with knowledge in any programming language. Graduate with AB या B level from NIE/LIT. Graduate with PGDCA or PGDIT. Duration of week 4 to 6 weeks. Last date of application is by 27 June 2021. For more details, please visit its official website. Next department is Government of India Unique Identification Authority UIDAI, that is the New Delhi. Filling of the poorest post on Deputation Foreign Service Basis, Technology Center, Bengaluru. Name of the post are Deputy Director, Assistant Director, Technology, Technical Officer, Private Secretary and Assistant Section Officer on Deputation basis for term and service terms at Technology Center at Bengaluru. The application through the proper channel is hereby extended up to 21st June 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.uida.gov.in. Next vacancy is Ministry of Home Affairs, subject filling of one post of Investigator, Communal Harmony Cell in Counter-Terrorism and Counter-Radicalization CTCR Division, Ministry of Home Affairs on deputation basis or observation basis. Last date of receipt this application is 60 days from the date of publication in the advertisement. For more details, please visit its official website www.mha.gov.in/notification/vacancies. Next department, Military College of Telecommunication Engineering, Maho, MP. Employment notice number 471 establishment. Application are invited for the post of stenographer grade 2, number of post 2. 1 unreserved, 1 OBC. Lower division clerk, LDC level 2. Number of post 14, lab assistant level 3, number of post 2, lab attendant multitasking staff level 1, number of post 2, draftsman computer operator pay level 4, number of post 1, civilian motor driver ordinary grade pay level 2, number of post 1, cook pay level 2, number of post 7, सफाई वाला multitasking staff यानी MTS pay level 1, number of post 6, fatigue man pay level 1, number of post 2. That's total post is 37. Last date of receipt this application is 45 days from the date of publication in advertisement and 52 days from the date of publication in the advertisement in the candidate of for Assam. The qualification for stenographer grade 2 is 12 pass or equivalent from the recognized board and university in a skill test and 10 minutes 80 word per minute. Transcription 50 minutes English and 65 minutes in Hindi on computer. Lower division class essential qualification is 12 pass and recognized by board or university and typing is 35 word per minute and English 35 word per minute. Laboratory assistant essential qualification higher secondary certificate with physics and chemistry, desirable experience in lab work. Lab attendant and MTS multitasking staff essential qualification matriculation pass, desirable that is the duties of lab attendant 1 year experience in the trade. Draftsman and computer operator matriculation or equivalent fee. Then civilian motor driver ordinary grade matriculation and cook that is a matriculation 10th pass from the recognized board must have knowledge of Indian cooking and proficiency in the trade. Safai wala MTS essential qualification matriculation pass or equivalent from the recognized board. For fatigue man that is the matriculation pass or equivalent recognized board must have a conversant with the duties of fatigue man with 1 year experience. Please visit its official website for more details. The selection procedure criteria is exam Tier 1 and Tier 2. Tier 1 will be written examination, that is objective, general intelligence, 25 questions, 50 marks, English language, quantitative aptitude and general awareness. Each number of questions is 25 and marks is 50. Tier 2 examination is descriptive paper. Tier 3 examination is typing test, will be conducted as per the post. Next vacancy is Central Research Institute, Kasoli, Himachal Pradesh. Application are invited for the eligible candidate for the appointment of deputation basis, one post for stenographer grade 1 group B non-gazetted. The last date of application is within 60 days from the publication of this notice in Employment News. For more details, please visit his official website www.crikasoli.nic.in. Next vacancy ICAR Tarala Balu Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Vacancy notification. Application are invited for the post of assistant, number of post 1. Essential qualification is bachelor degree from recognized university, working knowledge on computer, maximum age is 27 years and pay level is 6. Last date of receipt this application is 1 month from the date of advertisement. For more details, please visit his official website www.taralabalukvk.com. Next vacancy, National Institute of Health and Family Welfare. Vacancy notification for Director NIH FW. Name of the post Director, number of post 1, pay level 15. For more details, please visit his official website nihfw.org. Next department, Unique Identification Authority of India, means UIDAI, New Delhi. Filling up post for various posts of deputation, foreign and service term basis at data center Manesar, Gurugram. Application are invited for the various posts. Details are like this: Assistant Director Technology, Technical Officer, Section Officer and Assistant Section Officer on deputation basis, foreign service term at data center at Manesar, Gurugram. Last date of application is hereby extended up to 21st June 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.uidai.gov.in. For more details, please visit its official website www.uidai.gov.in. Highlights of the 77th edition of Mann Ki Baat by PM Narendra Modi. Officer entry. Online application are invited for Short Service Commission Tech Men 57th post and Short Service Commission Tech for Women 28th short course, that is scheduled on October 2021. Application are open from 25th May 2021 to 23rd June 2021. For more details, please visit its official website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Continue from page number 1, Career as Waste Management Professional. Continue from page number 2. Fruits and vegetable for health and long life. Six Indian sites added to UNESCO World Heritage tentative list. News Digest. National Digest. PM Cares scheme launched for support empowerment of COVID-19 affected children. Children clinical trial Covaxin on children begins at AIIMS Patna. Thawarchand Gehlot launches SAGE project to support India's elderly. IIT Hyderabad developed nanofiber technology based oral tablet for amphotericin B. Agriculture Minister launches Seed Mini Kit program. Validity period of TET qualifying certificate extended. India to soon get 8 new flying training academies under liberalized FTO policy of AAIE. International Digest. India working with WTO nations under TRIPS to ensure timely secure access to vaccine for all. US unveil global vaccine sharing strategy to donate 80 million doses by June end. African Union suspends Mali after militant coup threatens sanctions. Economy Digest. World economy will expand by 5.8% this year OECD यानी Economic Cooperation and Development. Government imposes restrictions on export of amphotericin B injections. Government issues operational guidelines for PLI scheme for pharma. EPFO allows its members to avail second non-refundable COVID-19 advance. Sports Digest. FIH World Ranking. India men's team climbed to 4th spot, women's team to hold on to 9th position. Brazil to host Copa America for second consecutive time. Sanjeev Kumar, Pooja Rani strike gold at Asian Boxing Championship. India's Tokyo Olympics kit unveiled. So friends, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.